is a video on how to get pictures to a specific folder in OneDrive from your device. Now, first of all, you need to get your charger and you're going to plug it into your device and then to your computer. Now, this is the wrong way. This is plugged in. There's USB ports on your monitor. It fits, but it doesn't actually work. So make sure you plug it into the back of your computer. Okay. When you do that, if you have an iPhone or iPad, it will say, allow this device to access photos and videos. You need to make sure you click allow or else it doesn't work. Okay, now we need to log into Office 365 and then we're going to click on OneDrive. This is a filing system where we can all share files. Okay, you're going to click on shared, and when you do that, you're going to see a folder called Adam Staff. And we're going to demonstrate how to upload to the slideshow images folder. And then you're going to click your grade level. And then click upload and files. Now you're going to look for your device. Mine is Apple iPhone. And I need to open the things that show up with a double click. Double click. And here are some pictures. So I'm going to click on my pictures. If I click on one, I can just do one at a time and click open. Or I can go file. I can click more than one. If you want to do more than one, you click on one, hold Control on your keyboard, and then click on other ones. And then click open. It's almost done. Okay, I guess you can't do more than one. So I don't know why. Maybe it's because of my phone. But it's making me do one at a time, which we're only doing 5 for this project, so maybe this is okay. There you go, and that's how you do it. And you know what? It worked because they should be listed right here. So you go upload. One. There you go.